Hello guys, this is Toolbox Tutorials and today we're gonna talk how to create Instagram posts, stories and how to create content on Canva. It's really simple and easy to do. So first of all, what you wanna do is open your Canva account, and after you log in, you press templates and you choose what you want to create. So in this instance, let's create some Instagram stories. So you press Instagram. After that, you can select the templates you have here. I always start blank and improvise. So I start blank. After you open your post, you can select from the designs here in the left corner, and you just select. Some are pro versions, some are free. So if you have free account, you can use it. So let's create the pro version. All right. So this is our first post in the Facebook. So we align it, we can upload the elements, what we have created, or you can create new ones. It's really easy and simple to use. So after you're done editing your post, everything's set up, everything is done, you just press share in the right corner and you can download it and post it yourself, or you can press see all, and here you select Facebook post, Instagram. So we select Instagram, and here you can choose immediately post from the mobile app or schedule the post from the desktop. So you press here, you press continue, you link your Instagram account to a Facebook page, connect via Instagram via Facebook, and here you log in and connect your account and set up. It's really easy and simple to do. Thank you for the watching and see you next time.